Hello, Yash.
Yes, sir.
After the lecture, you have to wait. Please wait for 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Third one, can you see? Same answer. According to Huygens principle, each point on the wavefront is in different phase. No. Each point is center of new disturbance. Yes. That means B option. Fourth. Which of the following is correct relation between wavefront and the ray of light? Wavefront and ray of light. This is spherical wavefront and this is ray of light, correct? This is cylindrical wavefront. This is ray of light. So can I say it is normal to the wavefront? Ray of light is normal to the wavefront? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So ray of light is normal to the wavefront. Option A. Fifth one. To get spherical wavefront, we require which type of source?
Point source.
Transverse. Point source we require.
Point source, yeah.
Point source situated in isotropic homogeneous medium. So they are saying spherical wavefront are produced by which source? Point source. That is option A. Option A. Vignesh, following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sixth. An isotropic medium. Light transverse in all direction with different speed. No, same speed चाहिए. Ray of light makes angle 0 with wave normal. चलेगा क्या ये B वाला option? Ray of light makes 0 degree with wave normal.
Yes, sir.
Ray of light and wave normal are in same direction. So ray of light makes 0 degree with wave normal. In which of the following case do we obtain a spherical wavefront? Wherever we get point source, we'll get spherical wavefront. Sunlight means parallel beam of light. When it is focused by convex lens, all the light will meet at one point. So it will become point source. So can I say answer A? Hello? Can I say answer A?
Yes, sir.
Next, when the angle between incident ray and mirror is 90 degree, then angle of reflection, incident ray and mirror is 90 degree. That means angle of incidence 0. Therefore, angle of reflection is also 0. The angle of reflection is 0. Option D. I hope you all follow till this. Any doubt till 8th one?
No, sir.
Next, 9th. A ray of light. Do you know that property? Keeping incident ray fixed when mirror is rotated by theta, then reflected ray gets rotated by 2 theta. This
Yes,
you know?
sir.
This is suppose mirror, light is incident normally, then reflected ray will come along same path. But when you rotate it by angle theta, keeping incident ray fixed. So if this is theta, this will be I equals to theta. Reflected ray will come by theta. So there was one property, keeping incident ray fixed. When mirror is rotated by theta, reflected ray will rotate by 2 theta. Okay. This I had explained, I think. Now in this sum they are telling a ray of light making 10 degree with the horizontal is incident on plane mirror. 10 degree with horizontal. Then how many degree with normal?
80.
80 degree with normal. So reflected ray will also make 80 degree with normal. Correct or not? Correct, na? By law of reflection. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now they are telling if the mirror is rotated by theta with horizontal, what should be the value of theta so that reflected ray comes vertically upward? So reflected ray coming vertically upward means it should turn by what angle? It should rotate by what angle? If I want reflected ray to come here, 80 degrees. So that is possible when mirror is rotated by 40 degree. Then reflected ray will get rotated by 80 degree. So answer should be 40 degree. Aryan Singh followed?
Yes, sir.
Do this much, then now it is numerical sums.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now coming to sum number 10. Sum number 10. If wavelength of light changes from 4000 angstrom to 5000 angstrom on entering another medium, then its frequency changes by. Frequency will not depend upon medium. Correct? Therefore, no change. Correct? Hello? Frequency will not depend upon medium but source. So when light is entering from one medium to another, nothing will happen to the frequency. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So frequency will not change. Next one, 11th. Ray of light incident on the separation with velocity of 3 at an angle of 45 degree. I is 45 degree and velocity is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in air. Enters in another medium at an angle of 30 degree. Find velocity in that medium. So we know refractive index is sin I upon sin R also equals to V1 upon V2. Is it true? Hello?
Yes,
So sin 45 upon sin 30 is 3 into 10 raised to 8 into velocity upon velocity in second medium. So this will become sin 30 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon sin 45. What is sin 30? Is it half?
yes,
Sin 45, 1 upon root 2. Sin 45, 1 upon root 2.
yes,
So you will get this as half into root 2 upon 1 into 3 into 10 raised to 8. Into 10 raised to 8. So that means 3 upon root 2 into 10 raised to 8. 3 is 3 upon 1.4. 1.4. 1.414 into 10 raised to 8. If had it been 1.5, I would have got answer 2. So this can be written as 2.12 into 10 raised to 8. 2.12 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is option D. Right. Completed?
Yes, sir.
I want that 12th one you will try. Please try 12th sum.
Sir, C.
Sir, C.
Answer is C. 480 nanometer. 1.5, yes. C. Because refractive index is lambda 1 upon lambda 2. 13. Velocity of light in diamond is 5 upon 12 times that in air. Velocity of light in water is 3 upon 4 times that in air. The angle of incidence of the ray traveling from water to air, water to diamond, what is angle of incidence? If angle of refraction is 30. So refractive index of diamond with respect to water, because it is traveling in diamond. So second medium is diamond, is sine I upon sine R. So this becomes velocity in diamond upon velocity in water is sine of I upon sine of 30. So 5 by 12 velocity in air upon 3 by 4 velocity in air, sine of I upon sine 30 half. Five by 12 into 4 by 3 into half will become sine I. 4 3s are 12. Into 1 upon sine 30 half. Sine 30 half. Some error I think I got.
सर वेलोसिटी इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा ना रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स के.
Water or diamond आएगा इधर. Water and diamond. So this will become 3 by 4 of air upon 5 by 12 of air. That means you will get 3 by 4 into 12 by 5 into half equal to sine I. So 4 3s are 12. Sine I is 9 by 10. So sine inverse 9 by 10. Sine inverse 9 by 10, option A. Sine inverse 9 by 10, option A. Completed 13?
Yes, sir.
Try 14th. Velocity of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Therefore, velocity of light in meter per second in a medium of refractive index 1.25. This also you can try. Refractive index is VA upon V medium. Therefore, V medium is VA upon mu medium. VA is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.25. That is 300 upon 125 into 10 raised to 8. 25 into 5, 25 into 12. So 2.4 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. 2.4, option D. Completed 14?
Yes, sir.
Next is very important sum. Easy, but still it is important. 15th. Red light of wavelength 6400 in air and has wavelength 4000 in glass. So you can say lambda red in air, lambda red in glass. If the wavelength of visible violet light in air is 4400, what will be its wavelength in glass? So refractive index of glass for red, take as refractive index of glass for violet, same. Now it is easy. Lambda red air, lambda red in glass, lambda violet in air upon lambda violet in glass. So lambda violet in glass is lambda red in glass, lambda red in air into lambda violet in air. Lambda red in glass is 4000, lambda red in air 6400, and violet 4400. 1 2 1 2 0 can cancel. 4 into 1000, 4 into 16, 4 into 4, 4 into 11. So 250 into 11, that is equals to 11 into 5, 55, 27. 50 angstrom. 2750 option B.
Done, sir.
Okay. 16th. Number 16. A glass slab of thickness 7 centimeter. A glass slab thickness 7 centimeter. Contains same number of waves as it contains in 9 centimeter thickness of water. When monochromatic light passes through them, ratio of wavelength of light in glass to that in water is how much? Yes, Aryan, any idea of this sum? Number of
Yes,
waves are कैसे start करो?
सर यूनिटरी मेथड से किया मैंने कि 7 सेंटीमीटर में फॉर एग्जांपल x वेव्स हैं तो 100 सेंटीमीटर में लैम्डा लैम्डा रहेंगे तो फिर वी फाइंड लैम्डा.
इससे भी एकदम शॉर्टकट मेथड है. Number of wave present in 1 meter is called as wave number. So 1 meter contains 1 upon lambda wave. That is called wave number. So x centimeter will contain x upon lambda wave, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it is 7 centimeters. So 7 upon lambda is number of wave in glass and 9 upon lambda in water. Hello? What is wave number? Wave number means number of wave present in 1 meter, 1 upon lambda. So 2 meter, 2 upon lambda, 3 meter, 3 upon lambda, 7 meter, 7 upon lambda. So 7 centimeter, I can convert in meter by multiplying with 10 raised to minus 2. But both sides, this will get cancelled. So no need to write. Now lambda of glass upon lambda of water. Can I say 7 by 9?
Yes, sir.
So copy, answer is 7 by 9. Option B.
सर 9/7 आ रहा है.
9/7 आ रहा है आपको?
यस सर.
कैसे?
सर एक मिनट चेक करता हूँ. नहीं सर आया.
आ गया. देखो ये चैप्टर में एक ही मिस्टेक है, इनवर्स होने का चांस बहुत है. अगर थोड़ा सा भी अपना प्रिकॉशन इधर उधर हो गया ना तो इनवर्स हो जाएगा. तो दूसरा आइडिया बताता हूं आपको कैसे अब समझेंगे राइट है क्या रॉन्ग है. ग्लास डेंसर है क्या ग्लास रेयरर है?
रेयरर है.
नहीं, कंपेयर टू वाटर डेंसर है ना.
ओके यस सर.
तो उसमें वेवलेंथ कम हो जाएगा ना. ठीक है.
यस सर.
और सेम प्रॉब्लम continued further. 17th one, same continued further. If refractive what is refractive index of glass if water was given 4/3? So water upon glass is lambda glass upon lambda water, correct na? Hello, reciprocal hai na?
Yes sir.
So mu water 4/3 and this is ulta 9/7. 3 3s are 9. 12 upon 7. 12 upon 7 is nothing but 1.71. because 7 into 1 7, remainder 5, 7 7 is a 49, 1.71 ऑप्शन ए। अभी गलती से देखो घाई घाई में हमको याद रहता है कि ग्लास होता है 1.5, विदाउट कैलकुलेशन विल मार्क 1.5 भी आंसर दिया है, ऑप्शन दिया है, so that will come wrong. So option is here A.
Done, sir.
18th is theoretical.
Violet.
Color which will travel slowest is violet. Correct. Violet का wavelength is least, so mu is maximum. A wavelength and velocity are directly proportional, so it will be violet which is traveling least. Should I explain or everybody has followed how violet will come? Should I explain this? Explain again. देखो 18th वाला, in Vibgyor series, what is lambda of violet? Least, na? And V equals to n lambda, n is constant, so V is proportional to lambda, therefore velocity of violet is least. 19. A plane mirror of light that travels slowest through glass. Plane mirror of light that, plane mirror is held normally to water surface. This is the diagram. Plane mirror is kept perpendicular to water surface. Light is incident here 50 degree with surface. That means this is 40 degree. So this will be also 40 by law of reflection. That means this will come 50 degree. Clear this much? That angle of incidence on water surface 50 degree.
Yes, sir.
Then they are saying if it is getting refracted in the water, what is angle of refraction? Refractive index of water is given. So this is sine I upon sine R. 1.33 I can write 4 by 3 is sine of 50 upon sine of R. So sine R will become 3 by 4 into sine 50. So this is nothing but 0.75, slightly less than 50. Sine R is slightly greater than 0.75 into sine 45 ka value. What is sine 45? 0.7071. Hello? Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. That is root 2 upon 2. So 1.414 upon 2, 0.707. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So 0.75 into 0.7, if you multiply, then 75. 75 is 35. 7 into 7, 49. 49 and 3, 52. 0.52. That means it is 30 degrees के आसपास वाला. So can I say B? Hello? Can I say option B? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Option B, huh?
Done, sir.
Okay. 20. In figure, wavefront AB is moving as shown. Can you see the diagram? What is theta, I or R? Is theta I?
Yes, sir.
And R is phi or not? Because I had explained you last class. They want refractive index of glass with respect to air. So that will be sine of I upon sine of R, which is sine of theta upon sine of phi. Sine theta, if I look, it is opposite side BD upon hypotenuse AD, and sine phi is opposite side AC upon AD. Therefore, BD upon AC. Okay? BD upon AC, option A. Clear? Yes, clear? 20 wala?
Yes, sir.
21. Refractive index of glass with respect to air. Will you try on your own? This one? Please try. Just remember this, you can write 3 by 2 and this you can write 4 by 3. See, glass with respect to water is mu of glass upon mu of air, water. So 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 3. That will become 9 by 8. 8 into 1 is 8, remainder 1. 8 ones are 8, remainder will be 220. 1.12. A. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
22. Green light of wavelength 5460 is incident on glass air interface. Is incident on air glass interface. If the refractive index of glass is 1.5, then wavelength of light in the glass will be how much? So mu of glass is wavelength of green in air upon wavelength of green in glass. This is lambda air upon mu in glass. 5460 upon 1.5. That will become 5460 into 10 upon 15. 15 into 3 is 15 into 3, 45. Remainder will be 11, 116. 15 into 7, 105, 9. 15 into 6, 90. 3760. कुछ मिस्टेक हो गया लगता है. 15 into 3, 45. 54 minus 45 is 4. 15 into 6, right? 90. 15 into 6 is 96. Remainder 15 into 4. 3640. 3640 angstrom. That is A. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
23. Aniket, read. Aniket, 23rd. थोड़ा louder. Hello, Aniket, read.
When a ray of light is incident on a glass slab um, at an angle of 60 degrees, the angle between reflected and refracted rays is 90 degrees. The refractive index of glass
Okay,
is
okay. When कल लिखा था ना point, when reflected ray and refracted ray, when reflected ray and refracted ray are perpendicular, when reflected ray and refracted ray are perpendicular or are at 90 degree, can I use mu is tan of angle of incidence? Do you remember yesterday, last day before yesterday we had written? So this will be √3 is the answer. That is option C. √3, option C.
done, sir.
Next one. 24. Time taken by sunlight to pass through glass slab of window of thickness 4 and refractive index 3/2. Any of you are remembering that formula of time taken to travel through glass slab? Direct formula?
Mu T by C.
Mu T by C.
Mu T by C. How we get C? Time taken in air. We want what it will take time to pass through glass window of thickness 4 meter and refractive index is this much. So time taken in air एक मिनट पहले 25 तक कर लेता हूँ फिर आपको समझाता हूँ. Time taken by sunlight through glass slab of 4 millimeter and refractive index 3/2 is how much? So what is speed formula? It is distance upon time or not? So time, can I say distance upon speed? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So distance is thickness and speed in glass is nothing but V in air upon mu of glass. So this goes up. We can write mu glass into T upon V in air as C. That's why this is formula mu T upon C. Okay, now formula follow. Time taken in glass mu T upon C. T is thickness, not time.
Yes, sir.
Now mu is given as 3/2. Thickness is given 4 millimeter. Convert into meter. Speed we know 3 into 10 raised to 8. 3 cancel, 2 into 2 4. So it is 2 into 10 raised to minus 11 second. 2 into 10 raised to minus 11 second. Option C.
Done, sir.
25th, again you will do on your own.
Sir, option C.
Option C, correct. 25th, straightforward sum, option C. Option C. All of you got now option C, 25th? All of you got?
Yes, sir.
26th. A ray of light passes through the transparent medium. Different layers are mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 refractive indices. Emergent ray and incident ray are parallel. Whenever it happens, then refractive indices are same. So mu1 is same as mu4. Mu1 is same as mu4, option D. When rays incident and emergent are parallel, then those mediums are same. Therefore, it is option D. Mu1 equals to mu4. 27. 27. A ray of light of wavelength 6000 angstrom unit in air enters a medium of refractive index 1.5 inside the medium. So what is frequency nu? See, frequency in air or in any medium, it is same. So I know lambda air, refractive index is given. I know velocity in air. So can I say directly V equal to n lambda? Therefore, n is V by lambda. Both in air, same ही हो जाएगा ना? No need of this then, है ना? So 3 into 10 raised to 8. This is 6 into 10 raised to minus 7. 1 upon 5 into 10 raised to 15. So it is nothing but 0.1 upon 5 is 0.2 into 10 raised to 15. So 2 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. है क्या देख लो? 2 into 10 raised to 14. Yes, option C.
So 0.5 होगा ना?
Yes, sir. 5 into 10 raised to 49.
Oh, 1/2 था, मैंने 5 ले लिया. 1/2 then 0.5. So 5 into 10 raised to 14, which is nothing but A option. A.
Done, sir.
27th, a light of wavelength. 27th we did, na, just now? 28. A ray of light enters a medium of refractive index √3. Ray of light enters refractive index √3. The angle of deviation is 30 degree. What is angle of incidence? The ray of light is going from where to where? Rarer to denser or denser to rarer? It is going from air to the medium, na? Is it given air to medium or medium to air?
Air to medium.
That means rarer to denser.
Yes, sir.
So angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. This also clear?
Yes, sir.
So angle of incidence will be R plus angle of deviation. देखो ऐसा है. Going from rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. So this angle becomes delta and this is I. Or a vertically opposite angle will become I. So I is R plus delta. See, going like this, it deviates. So this is delta, this is R, and this is I. This whole are vertically opposite, so I is R plus delta. But every time we won't draw the diagram. Whichever is greater, that is smaller plus delta. So I is greater, it is delta plus R. So from this, what will be R? Is it I minus delta? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So refractive index is sine I upon sine R. That means √3 is sine of I upon sine of I minus delta. What is √3 by 2? √3 by 2 साइन का कुछ वैल्यू है √3 by 2
T.
कितना 60 डिग्री.
Yes, sir.
तो 2 से डिवाइड किया तो इसको भी ऐसे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. ये एडजस्टमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट है इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो साइन आई अपॉन साइन ऑफ आई माइनस 30. So by comparing, can I say sine I will be √3 by 2? That means I will be 60 degree. Can I say like this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Important was comparison. Complete. Option is C, 60 degree.
सर सर
हाँ
सर लो लास्ट वाला पार्ट पढ़ता हूँ ना कैलकुलेशन का एक बार।
अभी ये √3 था, इधर √3 बराबर।
हाँ
√3 तो साइन का कुछ भी वैल्यू नहीं होता है ना।
यस
तो मैंने क्या किया, न्यूमरेटर को 2 से डिवाइड किया, डिनोमिनेटर को भी 2 से डिवाइड किया।
यस
तो ये जाना पहचाना लगा।
हाँ 60।
कंपेयर कर दिया न्यूमरेटर विथ न्यूमरेटर।
ओके सर।
चले क्लियर।
Done, sir.
29, sum number 29. A ray of light of deep red color has wavelength of 7500 angstrom in vacuum, means air you can take. If the ray enters in a glass whose refractive index is √3, then what is frequency of light in glass? See, frequency in air or frequency in glass both are same. So air का दिया है wavelength, you use that. Frequency nu is V upon lambda. V is 3 into 10 raised to 8. This is 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 7, 2.5. So we can write 10 upon 25 into 10 raised to 15. That is 100 upon 25 into 10 raised to 14. 4 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. 4 into 10 raised to 14 hertz, option B.
Done, sir.
Okay, last sum, 30th. Monochromatic light of wavelength lambda 1 is traveling in a medium of refractive index n1, enters the medium of refractive index n2. This is rarer, they are saying, and to denser. What is the wavelength in the second medium? So we all know refractive index ratio is reciprocal of wavelength. So lambda 2 will be n1 lambda 1 upon n2. n1 lambda 1 upon n2, option A.
Done, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Next, we'll meet tomorrow. I will complete first this remaining sums and then start with interference and diffraction ka synopsis. Sunday test will be on full ray optics and wave optics. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Homework, na? Homework you want, na, now? I will send you the questions, at least 25 within 20 minutes after sending you the solution of previous one. So today we stop here.